Okay guys, welcome back to Monster Low 23. Today we're in a Walmart again. I got the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks boneshaker. I unboxed it once, but like I said, do it again because I deleted the video. There it is. Name boneshaker, truck type hot rod, strength skull grinding grill, crash tech skull smackdown. Of course the back. I just need the Nissan Skyline and I have the whole set already. Here it is. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks live. We know. Further ado, crack it open. Okay guys. Here's an awesome bone shaker. I love that matte paint. Look at this. And the chrome red B-locks, black rims, black tires. The skull on top with the flames. Chrome nice skull. Pretty cool. Hot Wheels on this side. Silver chassis. The back. And the gas tank in the back. The skull on top. That's all I found today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share, because more videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.